Hi guys, it's Mrs. Tucker. I want to go ahead and walk you through today's assignment for Wednesday the 26th. So as usual, we are going to go ahead and start with an instructional video. That's what I'm working on now. Your assignment is going to be in Google Slides. So when you open it, it should look like this. One thing I did do different is notice it doesn't have a grade level. So all of you guys do have the same one. When you click on the second link, the first thing you're going to do is describe yourself in a tweet. Describe yourself in a tweet. So here you'll notice it says in no more than 280 characters, emojis, letters, numbers, and symbols, tell me or tell your classmates something about yourself that you don't think we already know about you. You're going to post your answer on the Google Classroom under student tweets. So if you go to your Google Classroom, you'll notice that I put this right here. It says our class tweets. You'll just click here and you will type in and then the next person. So we should have a running list of tweets. Now remember, you only can go up to 280 characters. You can't do more than that. So if you know you like to play football, use a football emoji. If you like to eat, put a bunch of food emojis. Tell us just something. Let us know more about you. The next thing you're going to do, guys, is you are going to check out what your grade level is going to do this year. So you are going to go also back to your Google Classroom, and you're going to go to the resources section that is under classwork in your Google Class. So if you go here, yes, this is the Senior Avid, but it's going to be the same for everybody. Click this classwork tab, and remember the first topic that I have is resources. And right here, you should see 12th grade Avid standards, or of course, if you're an 11th grader, it'll say 11th, 10th, or 9th. You're going to go ahead and click on that and open the PDF. You're going to read over the PDF and learn what you're going to do in Avid this year. But then what you need to do, if you go back to the slide, it says read the handout and respond to the Google form. So down here is a link to the Google form. It will pop up and then you will put your name, you'll answer some questions about the form and then submit that to me. So that will be your assignment for Wednesday. If you have questions, please reach out, guys. I'm here to help you. Have a great day.